Hi everyone, I just thought I'd do a quick video because I had to go get my glasses tightened, and we've got like a ginormous storm rolling in with lots of thunder. It's that time of year. I also just wanted to kind of come outside for my lunch break and get some vitamin D rays. But you know, Sarasota is just such a funky town, and just I love the paintings on the sidewalks here that I'm going to show you. And each one of these artists has, they got to paint a slab of concrete, and there's a QR code. Let's see if we can see these as we walk by. And a little round of thunder. Okay, so I hope you can see that. There's a little scan me code there. So each one of these sidewalk paintings has the QR code. I hope you can see some of these just kind of up and down the street here. And Avenue of the Art chalkfestival.com is just what that one is saying. And they used to have a big chalk festival here. I don't think they've had it in a few years with COVID and everything. So the real painters, I guess, have come out and have painted the sidewalk. It looks like an entire block long along some of the restaurants here that are, as you can see, now open. So this is just one of my favorite parts of downtown Sarasota, and I'm really lucky to work here and walking distance to my eye doctor and a bunch of other fabulous restaurants that I have featured over time here, and all the different wonderful vegan options. So we're continuing to get more fabulous paintings here. I guess these are projecting to you upside down as I'm walking this direction, but some of them it doesn't really matter. Like we've got some grapefruit here with a flamingo. We don't really see flamingos that much, but there are some birds that do have pink coloring or red coloring. Happy New Year, says this one. And this is on Pineapple Street where I'm walking, where back in the day when they would drop the pineapple from I believe, let's see, where is it? Somewhere on one of these buildings around here. This is right where it happened. Maybe they constructed a tower. I don't know. I actually have never been. I've only seen it on television. But this is kind of our little bit of Italy back there with the fountain. And nobody's out because, as you can see, we have a big roll cloud coming in. Kind of cool. They just installed these within the last year. Crosswalk warning devices. So if you're concerned about your safety, it's going to stop, and everybody is supposed to stop here. And we got some that way, yes. So the sidewalk blinks, or the crosswalk blinks. I think you can see that. And we've gone across it. And that's just so we don't get run over by these speeding motorists. But yeah, you can see that behind me. It doesn't stay on very long, but long enough for you to get across the street. If I was going to go to the beach, the most ideal time would have been yesterday when it was fully sunny. But we had about 30 minutes of sunshine today, and so I thought I would take advantage of it just to get a little outdoor exercise. And you know, if you're looking for ways to be fit, it doesn't take a whole lot of effort and design just to do that. I know lately I've been walking our dog, and it's just about 1.25 miles around the block, and do that twice a day, and you almost have a 3-mile walk, which isn't bad for not really designing an exercise program. So lots of ways to get out and about and enjoy the good weather while we have it, right? And take cover when we don't. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the walk, and you gotta run. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll send you more fun, inspiring stuff, I hope.